Why I choose Matsuhisa Mykonos, the first Europe Matsuhisa restaurant? Because first of all, like a people. People means my business partners, that's also Nicholas. We do like a same passions. I trust them 100%. Technique is very important about the cooking, but always with a passion, people appreciate more. Passion's most important for me. Chefs always looking for a best quality product. I like to use local product as much possible. Especially it's grease, great olive oil, tomatoes, local fish. This kind of fish cannot get to the United States, even to Japan. I never see just outdoor restaurant. The people stay very comfortable outside. Beautiful island, the blue sky, or the white and blue, very unique. We have the fish, sushi, sashimi, cooked fish, meat, vegetables. So customer choose more freedom. This restaurant business have to be good team. I don't want to say army, but I like to do my business just like a family. Customer come to restaurant not only to eat. Customer stay at the restaurant, spend the time, end of the dinner. Our job, not how much you sell to the customer. Our job, how much it makes guests happy. This is Matsuhisa Mykonos philosophy. It means my philosophy.